Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation question. So they've said to us x cubed equals 64. So we need to try and figure out what this x could equal in order for this whole thing to make sense. Now we can see that x is being cubed, and we want to try and get this x by itself. So what is the opposite of cubed? So we're going to rewrite the question just to warm the mind up a little bit, and we want to try and get rid of this 3. So what is the opposite of cubed? We know that the opposite of cubed is cube root. So I'm going to cube root the left-hand side, but because I've got this nifty equal sign in the middle, I need to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm going to cube root the other side. So what does that mean? That means now that I've got this x cubed becomes x3 over 3. That's what this cube root means. And on the other side, I'm just going to leave it as the cube root of 64. So we know that those cancel and we're left with 1. So we're going to have x is equal to the cube root of 64. And we've accomplished our mission of getting the x by itself. Now we just need to figure out what the cube root of 64 is. If you know your mathematics and if you've been practicing this stuff, you would know that the cube root of 64 is simply 4. Because 4 cubed is equal to 64. So if you take, I'm going to write it out here just for clarity's sake. 64 is 4 cubed, which would mean that 4 cubed over 3 is then going to give you 4. And that matches that answer. And therefore, we have solved the question, guys. Really nicely done. I hope you don't get this question wrong again, and if you still don't quite understand it, try and watch the video again just to see exactly what I've done. But ultimately, it's all about finding the inverse operation to get that x by itself. So because we know that the opposite of cubing is cube rooting, all we do is we need to apply the cube root to both sides to keep everything balanced. That's all from me, guys. Very special thank you to our sponsor. Find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this, be sure to check out our website. If you can't find an answer to your question, remember you can send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.